The Walnut Hollow Creative Wood Burner Value Tool is perfect for all skill levels, from beginner to advanced wood burning artists. The package includes a 950-degree tool with an easy on-off switch, a tool stand, and 4 unique points. The universal point performs all fundamental wood burning techniques. Curves, dots, and cursive writing are easy to burn with the flow point. Use the shading point to create smooth shading or use it as a stamping point. The cone point can be used to burn fine lines, dots, and curves. Before changing the points, remember to turn the tool off and let it cool completely. Once the tool is cool, use pliers to twist off the point and to screw in the new point. The tool will take about 5 minutes to heat up. Hold the tool as you would a large pencil and use light pressure. Let the heat of the tool do the work for you. Place the tool on the stand when not in use. The Walnut Hollow Creative Wood Burner Value Tool can be used to create unique, personalized gifts and home decor. The possibilities are endless with this easy-to-use and versatile hot tool from Walnut Hollow.